Buying the wrong concrete sealer is one of the fastest ways to ruin a perfectly good surface. Most sealers peel, trap moisture and fail long before they should. So we tested 15 of the most popular options to find the few that actually protect concrete without cracking, bubbling or breaking down. Stay until the end for our number one pick. It created a deep, waterproof barrier that outlasted every other sealer we tested. It solved the biggest problem most people face: moisture damage under paint. So, let's get started. Starting at number 5 is the BEEST Multi-Purpose Primer, a versatile option that works well as a paintable concrete sealer for homeowners handling smaller repair or renovation projects. This paintable concrete sealer is designed to prepare concrete surfaces before painting, helping paint adhere more evenly and last longer. It works especially well on porous surfaces, where standard paint alone may soak in unevenly or peel over time. One of the standout features of this paintable concrete sealer is its multi-surface compatibility. It can be used not only on concrete, but also on masonry, brick and similar materials. That flexibility makes it useful for indoor projects like basement walls, as well as outdoor surfaces such as patios and walkways. Another advantage is its quick drying formula, which allows you to move to the painting stage faster compared to thicker sealers that require long cure times. It also helps block minor stains and improves paint coverage, reducing the number of coats needed for a finished look. However, this paintable concrete sealer is better suited for light-duty sealing tasks rather than heavy moisture protection or structural repairs. Still, if you want an affordable and easy-to-use paintable concrete sealer for basic surface preparation, the BEEST Multi-Purpose Primer earns the number 5 spot. Coming in at number 4 is the Zinsser Primer Sealer Stain Killer, a highly trusted solution for users who want strong stain blocking combined with paint-ready sealing performance. This paintable concrete sealer stands out because of its advanced stain blocking capability, making it extremely useful for surfaces affected by water stains, discoloration, or previous coatings. One of the strongest features of this paintable concrete sealer is its ability to create a smooth, uniform base layer. This improves paint adhesion and ensures that the final coat looks consistent without uneven patches. Another advantage is its durable sealing performance, which helps protect concrete surfaces from moisture penetration while still remaining paint-friendly. This makes it ideal for basement walls, garage floors, and exterior concrete surfaces, where protection and paint preparation are equally important. However, while it performs extremely well in stain control, it may require multiple coats on very porous or heavily damaged surfaces. Overall, if you need a reliable paintable concrete sealer that also blocks stains effectively, the Zinsser Primer Sealer earns the number 4 position. Taking the number 3 spot is the Sikaflex Concrete Fix, a dependable solution designed for users who need both sealing and crack repair capability. This paintable concrete sealer stands out because it is specifically formulated to repair cracks while sealing concrete surfaces. That dual functionality makes it extremely useful for aging driveways, patios and sidewalks. One of the biggest advantages of this paintable concrete sealer is its flexible sealing formula, which expands and contracts with temperature changes. This reduces the chances of cracking after repairs are completed. It also creates a smooth paintable finish, allowing users to apply paint directly over repaired areas without visible surface imperfections. Another benefit is its strong bonding performance, which ensures the repaired area stays intact even under moderate stress or movement. The application process is straightforward, making it suitable for both DIY users and homeowners with limited repair experience. However, while it works exceptionally well for cracks and joints, it may not be the best choice for sealing extremely large surface areas. Still, if you want a paintable concrete sealer that also repairs cracks effectively, the Sikaflex Concrete Fix earns the number 3 spot. And number 2 is the RainGuard Concrete Sealer, a powerful solution designed for users who want long-lasting moisture protection with paint compatibility. This paintable concrete sealer uses deep penetrating technology, allowing it to absorb into concrete rather than sitting only on the surface. This helps create strong internal protection against water intrusion. One of its biggest strengths is its water-repellent barrier, which protects concrete surfaces from rain, moisture, and weather damage. This makes it ideal for outdoor applications such as driveways, patios, and foundation walls. Another key advantage is its breathable formula, which allows trapped moisture to escape while still preventing new water from entering. This helps reduce cracking and surface damage over time. The RainGuard sealer also provides a paint-ready surface, making it easy to apply decorative finishes after sealing. Its durable protection makes it suitable for harsh weather environments, where long-term sealing performance is essential. However, it may require careful surface preparation to achieve the best results. Overall, if you need a high-performance paintable concrete sealer for outdoor protection, the RainGuard Concrete Sealer earns the number 2 spot. Taking the number 1 spot is the Siloxa-Tek 8500 Concrete Sealer, widely considered one of the most advanced and long-lasting paintable concrete sealers available today. This paintable concrete sealer stands out because of its professional-grade penetrating technology, which creates a deep internal seal within the concrete surface. Unlike surface-only coatings, this approach provides long-term durability and stronger protection. One of the biggest advantages of this paintable concrete sealer is its exceptional waterproofing capability, helping prevent water damage, cracking, and surface deterioration. It also maintains breathability, allowing moisture vapor to escape without trapping water inside the concrete. This significantly reduces long-term structural issues. Another standout feature is its long lifespan, often lasting years before requiring reapplication. This reduces maintenance and makes it a cost-effective solution over time. The Siloxa-Tek 8500 also creates a paint-ready surface, making it ideal for decorative or protective painting projects after sealing. Compared to other products on this list, this paintable concrete sealer delivers the best balance of durability, penetration depth, and long-term performance. While it may require a slightly higher initial investment, the long-term reliability makes it worthwhile. If you want the best professional-grade paintable concrete sealer for long-lasting protection and paint compatibility, the Siloxa-Tek 8500 easily takes the number 1 spot.